Want to attract more pollinators to your garden? You've come to the right place. This video will guide you through the top 5 methods to turn your garden into a buzzing hub of pollinators. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 ways to make your garden a pollinator paradise. Starting with number 5, offer a variety of flowers. An abundance of diverse flora is like a welcome sign for pollinators. Different flowers attract different pollinators, enriching your garden's ecosystem. Remember, diversity is key to a thriving pollinator garden. Coming in at number 4, choose native plants. These flora have grown up with your local pollinators, evolving together to form a perfect partnership. They're familiar, attractive, and sure to bring in the buzz. So, go local and watch your garden buzz with life. Next up at number 3, provide food and water. An inviting garden isn't just about the plants. Offering food and water sources like bird baths or butterfly feeders can significantly increase your garden's appeal. Remember, a well-fed pollinator is a happy pollinator. Coming in at number 2, avoid pesticides. Pesticides, while effective against pests, can also harm our friendly pollinators. Instead, consider natural pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using homemade sprays. Keep your garden chemical-free and safe for all pollinators. And finally, our number 1 tip, create habitats. To truly draw pollinators to your garden and encourage them to stay, consider providing spaces they can call home. This could be anything from bee hotels to butterfly houses. These structures not only give these helpful creatures a place to rest and reproduce, but also serve as a charming addition to your green space. Remember, a garden teeming with life is a garden thriving. Create a home and they will come. So, there you have it, the top 5 ways to attract pollinators to your garden. A quick recap: offer diverse flowers, choose native plants, provide food and water, avoid pesticides, and create habitats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!